Hello everyone. Today we are going to demo our project Pause and Ponder, which we built as part of the Altice Innovation Hackathon. So this project was completed by myself, Bhavish Kumar, and my teammates Tejas Patil, Pranav Radhakrishna, and Prathmesh Datar. So let me start off by giving you an overview of our project and our idea. So, as the name suggests, the idea behind our project is to allow every individual to pause and self introspect themselves by reflecting upon their internet browsing history to get insights and better understand their state of mind. So, as we all know, ever since the beginning of COVID-19 pandemic, we have mostly been stuck at home with no outdoor activity to engage in. This unprecedented situation has naturally made us more reliant on the internet as there is no alternative source of entertainment and there's no other means to spend time either. So according to the New York Times, there has been a 47% increase in the internet usage. And moreover, testing and tough times like these can badly affect the mental health of people. So hence this product of ours has the potential to help the users better understand their state of mind, learn more about themselves, and also assess their personal or professional evolution over time. All this self-enlightenment can be attained by simply obtaining a topic-based summary of their internet browsing history and also assessing its time variant trajectory. Apart from that, this product can also be used by individuals who are simply curious to see the variety of topics that they have been surfing over time. Yeah. And apart from being beneficial at an individual level, this product can also be used by professional psychologists who wish to better understand the human psychology by looking at their search history summary. Moreover, this product can also be used by crime investigation officers or criminal psychologists who aim to draw conclusions based on the variant top topics that the suspect has been browsing. So now that we've covered the scope of this product and the motivation behind us developing this, I will begin by demonstrating how to use this product, which we have currently hosted on Google Cloud platform by using a VM instance. So the usage involves a very simple two-step process. And currently we are performing the analysis on two data sources, which these two data sources are our YouTube streaming history and our Chrome browsing history. So the first step is to download the data in JSON format by clicking on the link here as shown here. This link would redirect us to a Google takeout page, and by following these instructions, we'll be able to download the data in JSON format, download both the YouTube streaming history and Chrome browsing history in JSON format. So let me walk you through these steps one by one. So firstly, we click on this link and it has redirected us to this Google takeout page from where we are going to download our data. So as we require only the Chrome browsing history and YouTube streaming history, we deselect everything else and we select Chrome and YouTube. Yeah, and so one more thing to note is, as you can see, the data is available in multiple formats. So we want the data in JSON format as this data acts as input to our Python script, which accepts data in JSON format. So we are getting the history in JSON format. Click OK and click on next step. So yeah, using this, we are now going to create our export. So once you click on create export, you are going to receive an email on your Gmail account, and this email would ask you to authorize this export request which you have raised. So by clicking on check activity and confirming that this request was raised by you, you will be able to authorize the request. And then once you go back, it'll take a little bit of time for the export to get generated. And once the export is generated, we'll be able to download it onto our local machine. Yeah, so once the export has been generated, it'll show up here and on the same page, and we can click on download, enter your password. Then you will be able to save this zip file in your local machine. Since I've already downloaded it, I'm not going to download it again. And then you can come back to our web application of our product. And now the next step is as simple as uploading that JSON file which we have downloaded. So yeah, so there's one more feature that I would like to highlight before I show you the results. So since we support two types of files, one is your browsing history and YouTube surfing history. So suppose we select YouTube surfing history, and we instead upload, yeah, if we pick YouTube surfing history and try to upload your Chrome browsing history, and if you click on submit, it is going to throw an error message. Yeah, as you can see here, it throws an error message and asks us to upload the correct file. So now let's try again. We select the type of file as YouTube, and let us choose a YouTube search history file. And then once you click on submit, so this, after you click on submit, it's going to run the topic modeling. It's going to invoke the Python script which has the topic modeling algorithm in it, and it will run that algorithm to produce the results. Now let's look at the results and see what insights we can draw. So as you can see here, this is the summary of my YouTube streaming history, and it shows us the top topics that I have served every month over a period of time. So as you can see here, in the month of May 2014, I was mostly interested in the topic movie in, and using these search words, I was trying to look for movies on my YouTube. So that is the main number one topic that I was interested in this month. And as time passes, as we go down, we can see that yeah, in the month of 2016 September, the main topic that I was interested in is football, and so all my search terms for this month are related to football. It's Manchester United, Manchester City, Liverpool, etc. are the uh, top 10 search words for this topic of football that I surfed the most in this month. Now, likewise, if we see one of the latest dates, so let's say in the month of October 2020, as we can see, I was mostly into the area, into the data science related topics, and all my surfing on YouTube was around data science. So the top 10 terms that I used also suggest the same, that I was mostly surfing data science related videos. So this summary, it tells me the number one topic that I was looking for every month over my entire search history time range. Now let's look at my browsing history. So if I upload my browser history JSON file and click on submit. So since the browsing history JSON file is slightly bigger, it's going to take a little longer to process the whole code and render the results. So it's processing. So as I said earlier, this has invoked our Python script, which has the code for topic modeling, and it runs the entire code and then generates the result. Yeah, now we've obtained the results. And again, I can see the top topic or the top area or the top field that I was into for every month over a period of time. So as we can see here in the month of 2020, in the month of January 2020, my main area of focus was data science again. And so the top 10 search words that I used for looking into, for browsing on data science have been listed here. And likewise, if we see the month of September 2020, I was mostly into cloud related, was mostly interested in learning about Google Cloud, and hence all my browsing was on that area. And the top 10 search words that have been listed over here or are all related to Google Cloud. So yeah, so this completes the demonstration of our product, and we with this the demo ends. And I would like to conclude by saying that every individual can be greatly benefited by using this product, as it will help the users better introspect themselves and better understand their state of mind, or how their interests and priorities have changed over time. And all this can be achieved by simply using their browsing history to look at the top topics and their corresponding words that they have been browsing at every point in time. Yeah, that's about it. Thank you very much for watching this video. And if you have any questions, please feel free to ask them in the comment section. Thank you.